Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It's the weekend. Friday the 13th. Better watch out for Jason Voorhees. You never know where he's hiding at Crystal Lake. But we got Prime Pantry right here. Definitely excited to show you guys this Amazon thing for you can do your grocery shopping and everything. Got 2 boxes. This was heavy sucker, so that's why it's on the ground still, but we got 2 of them. I'll leave the links down below for a few of the items, and then I'll just take you to Prime Pantry. You can do the searching. Pretty simple, easy, fast shipping, and hopefully no one gets damages, because I saw a few on their reviews that people are complaining about getting damaged items, but hopefully we don't have that situation today for this Friday. Even though it's the 13th, some might be a lucky day. So, hopefully. But as long as we are alive, that's all that matters right now. Here we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, come on. And taped it up good. Let me sit you guys down for a sec. Gotta cut those out. There we go. So, yeah, surprised they were shipped this fast. So, I mean, it's not like shipping it at all. Instacart, but still pretty cool. I heard they might be doing it just like them pretty soon, so you gotta look out for that. And always check out the Amazon Home Services, the 30 days of Amazon Music for free. I'll have the links down. And if you have a Twitch account, click on the link for that. That will give you free loot items for your Xbox, PS4 gaming. So the links will be down below. Alright, off rip we got here. Alright, we got tons of packaging. Alright. So far, everything looks good. Can't forget Aunt Jemima. Maybe that's why she was heavy. Got some pancakes. Oh yeah. And to use with my skillet, I get some Velveeta skillets. Natural Supreme. Oh yeah. And can't forget Taco Tuesday without these. Flour tortilla bowl. A little bit beat up, but not too. Inside's good. So we got some soup. No soup for you. We got the vegetable, because it is winter season coming. I'm stocking up. Then we got another vegetable. And we got some sweet honey. This stuff is really good. Kind of reminds me of the Burger King barbecue sauce. So, definitely one of my new favorites. Oh, this got a little binged up, but it's alright. Not too bad, nothing leaked. So, top's not damaged, bottom's not damaged. And I got time, July 20th. July 13, 2020. So, I've got a summertime. These I'm sure will be gone before then. And we got these things. I never seen these yet before until now. They got a lot of new items also. Mug treats. Soft baked chocolate chip cookie with fudge topping. Alrighty. What is this? Oh, bonus fajita mix. Gotta go with the tacos. And we got another one. Just like DJ Khaled. Another one. Mug treats. It looks really good, so definitely gonna try it. Uh-oh. A little bit roughed up. Hopefully they're not beat up. We'll find out later on. That sound a little crunchy. And we can't forget these guys. Scalloped potatoes. Always a good thing with Thanksgiving around the corner. So if you're in a hurry, just don't have time to go to the grocery store, or don't have a vehicle, I think this is a good way to start it. Peanut butter and jelly time. Oh yeah. But definitely a good way to take advantage of this system for the Prime shipping and everything. You get a lot of goodies for a good deal. Hold on one sec. I'm going to see how I'm going to do this big old box. Sit in my gaming chair and this chair. I don't know yet. I'll be right back. Hold on. Alrighty. I figured I would sit in the smaller chair. Round 2, box 1 is over there, cleaned out. And I'll just see what's inside box number 2. But this is pretty cool though. Like I said, for the, especially the older folks that can't get around as much and that's really like disabled type. This would be perfect for them, especially just have UPS drop it off. Alright, this is nice packaging. Ain't gonna complain. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So, I mean, those reviews, don't believe them because sometimes they could be wrong just to be hateful. You know how it is in this world today. Everybody got your own opinion. We're gonna see what's inside here today. Oh, yeah. We got that Cracker Barrel. Yeah, buddy. And we got this. I haven't tried this one yet, so definitely interested in it. French's Sweet and Smoky Barbecue Mustard Dipping Sauce. So this might be actually good. We got still time on it. We'll go here. We can't forget good old Larry. Turkey Day, like I said, is coming. Put that on my turkey. And then crispy fried onions, French's. Got for the burgers, for the mac and cheese. You could do it even for your French onion soup. And we got, okay. Whoa. Look how they did this. This was pretty cool. That's the red hot sweet chili. Dang. Really impressed. They actually did a good job with these shipping. So, and now we have here more soup for you. We got hearty chicken rotini. Oh yeah, we got the jackpot for soup. That's why it's probably heavy. We got the chicken noodle. We got these guys. Campbell's Chunky Sausage and Pepperoni Rigatoni. I think I said it right. And then another one. I'll be probably saying another one a lot in this video. Oh, something different. Savory pot roast. It may actually be good. Oh yes, here we go. Italian style wedding soup. Progresso. Here we go. Hearty rotini chicken. And we got pot roast. We have also sausage and pepper. See, I'm definitely digging the sausage and pepper, so hopefully it's a good one. And that was another one. Ooh. Get that out of here. And another one. I don't even know how many I ordered. But hey, it's all good. And a pot roast. Another one. And back to good old Wisconsin. Oh yeah. Hardwood smoked. I like these kind of style jerkies. But definitely my favorite jerky out in the whole universe would be Chops. I did a unboxing on Chops not too long ago, maybe about 2 years ago. Really good company. Oh yeah, this is the one I'm curious to try. It's gonna be this kind. Spicy sausage. I didn't even know they made this kind. Oh yeah. Look at that. No damage. Nothing leaked. So definitely a happy day for this Friday the 13th. And now we got these guys on the side. Oh, we got more soup. Sirloin burger. Country vegetable. Oh yeah. And now chicken noodle. We got the French onion. See, you can use those French chips that I showed you earlier. And we got another one, French onion. Now we got these guys. Idling mashed potatoes, small little bags. I thought they were going to be bigger, but I think it was like $1. So definitely do the job if you order enough of them. Betty Crocker, roasted garlic. I'm already running out of the room. But like I said, it was really fast how they shipped it. And like I said, no complaints here how they packaged it. Roasted garlic. Maybe because I'm Amazon associate. But another one. And roasted garlic. Another one. And another one. Garlic. Guys, definitely appreciated that nothing got damaged. So definitely A plus on that. So guys, here's the video. You guys can see the proof that most of the time those reviews could be hateful just to be one of those type people. So definitely A plus on my side, as you can see here. Everything is good. Take the chance, you know, I did. Paid or not paid for, I don't lie. And here we go. I hold roasted garlic. Got some enough potatoes, like I said. Turkey Day is around the corner. Halloween. Well, actually, Halloween's first. Ooh, they got a little crushy, but those big guys did it. So, all right, here we go. Cream of Brock, not Lesnar, but broccoli. Another one, and we got another one, and another one, and another one. Filling up sugar. We got sirloin burger. I think that's another one. We got something different here. Oh no, another one. And another one. Cream of Brock. My client. Here we go. Italian style. Oh yeah. And now the good stuff. Gotta be cheesy, be toasty. Oh yes. Got the crackers. And now we have here mug treats. Ooh, hot fudge brownie. Yeah, buddy. I gotta put these on the ground now. And these come 4 mixed pouches and 4 mixed toppings. So I thought it would come with the mug, but if you have your own mug or a bowl, it'd be perfect for it. So you got 4 treats in one, so that's a pretty good deal. And look at this one. They didn't have that many of these. I would have got more of these, but they were running low. It's like the funfetti. 4. Takes 1 minute to make. So, you got some kids and want to make a quick dessert for them. This is the way to go. And we all know Betty Crocker. She's been an OG for many years for us. Uh-oh. Nope, nothing got tampered. It's safe. Just got, like I said, probably crushed from good old UPS, but I don't think they could throw this like a football, this box, because it was definitely heavy. And this one, like I said, tastes like Burger King barbecue sauce, which I was really surprised. So, way to go, Kraft. And we got here. Never tried this, so hopefully this will be good. Amoli. I don't even know. It's like AIOL. Roasted garlic, so might be good for fries and stuff. Maybe a baked potato type deal. There we go. Heinz barbecue sauce, Hawaii, sweet and fruity. So that might be good for like some ribs. And we got the OG classic. It's been many years since I had some bullseye barbecue. Hopefully it's not bad. Sweet and tangy. Oh yeah. And then another one. Original bullseye. So like I said, check them out. Give it a try, YouTubers. As you can see, nothing really got damaged at all. I mean, a little feet up, but that's because of the soup. It all depends on what you get shipped with. So if you're going to do an order, do it like with drinks on one order, then, you know, do another order with like soup and stuff like that. So it could be, you know, treated better. But, I mean, pretty good for 1 day shipping. Didn't have to go nowhere. Didn't have to do with no customers, no angry people. So, there you go. Something cool to try out. I'll have the links down below. Be safe, have a good weekend, and see you soon.